So I'm going to do a quick grocery haul here of just some things that we needed for the week. I didn't do a like a full grocery shop because we just came back off of a little vacation, and you know how money is after that, but also because we just didn't need a whole lot. If I remember, I'll try to give you the points, or at least what I'm going to be using the stuff in. So at Aldi, I got some sweet potatoes, which were really good last time we got them, and these we're going to have for dinner one night this week. I got the Fit and Active Light Whipped Topping, which is one more point than the regular Cool Whip for four tablespoons instead of 5 tablespoons. So it's still good, and I still mix it with my yogurt. I got some Italian style breadcrumbs. I'm going to bread some chicken this week and put that in the air fryer. This is Norm's. It's his Friendly Farm Vanilla Caramel coffee creamer. And he also puts the whipped dairy topping in it. I really wanted a good tomato soup that I could get for like little to no points, maybe like 2 points, and I couldn't get one. So I went ahead and got the crushed tomatoes from Aldi. These are 0 points. And then this was the diced tomatoes with the basil, garlic, and oregano, and it was 2 points for half a cup. So I'm going to make my own tomato soup. I got some taco seasoning for the night we have tacos. I also got a can of corn for that. I got some lettuce. I'm planning on making buffalo chicken salad one night this week. I got some broccoli also to go with chicken. I have a lot of chicken in the freezer, so that's what we're using up this week. Got some tomatoes for the tacos, some taco shells for the tacos. I will either crush one of these up and make it like a salad, or I will put it this in an Olay wrap. These are for Carly. They're the Millville chewy dipped granola bars. I don't know how many calories or whatever they are in there because I don't eat them. Grapes. Aldi has the best price on grapes. I accidentally spent $9 on grapes at the grocery store the other day. These are only $2.49. I got milk from Aldi because they're under $1. I got the ground turkey. I got a little bit more high fat this time. It's $85.15, but it was a bigger price, or a bigger pack, and that's all they had. They didn't have the Fit and Active. And then now I'm on to Walmart. I have the Deli Fresh oven roasted turkey breast, which is 3 ounces for 1 point. These are Norm's, which are 1 billion points. I got fat-free cheddar to make my grilled cheese sandwiches and also for the tacos from Walmart, and that is 1 point or 0 points for a 1/4 cup. I got the Extreme Wellness High Fiber Low Carb wraps from also from Walmart, and this is Norm's. It's the Smoky Uncured Honey Ham from Walmart. I don't know what the points are in here. This is the mild wing sauce, which would be 1 point added to whatever it is that I decide to eat with that. I got my yogurts. They only had 1 pumpkin cheesecake left, so I got some lemon meringue to mix with my Cool Whip. I got some dill pickles. They did not have the Bolthouse Farm at my Walmart, so I got the Ken's Steakhouse Light Chunky Blue Cheese. I don't use a whole lot of it anyway. I use like a tablespoon, if that, so I'll just count the points for that. Then I got these 3-color peppers and onion strips for my egg cups that I'm making for the week. And then I got these veggie straws, which when I first scanned it, it said 4 points per bag. But then when I really looked a little closer, it's actually 4 points per ounce, which is still like, I think it says a serving size is like 38 straws. So that'll be plenty. But so that is all my haul for this week. And I will try to see if I can add some of the stuff that I make with the stuff you see on the table. So I'm starting my egg cups. I've got the frozen peppers, onions in a pan with a little bit of this, I don't know how to say that, Tajin sauce, and a little bit of chipotle sauce as well. And I'm going to add some eggs and cheese to that and put them in cups for the week. So I also have some of the crushed tomatoes and the crushed tomato basil tomatoes in a pot simmering. I mashed them all up. I want it kind of chunky to go with my grilled cheese, which I'll show you later. And I did add a little bit of the tomato into my what's going to be my egg cup mixture. So we got those both going. And I'm also making myself lunch today. I'm making myself a turkey Reuben. Now I put the egg beaters in, or the egg substitute in, with the peppers and the onions. It is missing mushrooms, but I guess I just will be okay with that this week. And then also the soup is getting done, and I'm getting ready to start my Olay wraps, which I'm going to do with cheese and a little, and that's it, just cheese. Starting the Olay wraps, I'm just kind of warming them up. I want to kind of just toast them on both sides. And then here is the soup that I made. It's chunky, which is exactly what I wanted. I'm going to throw some pepper and salt into those. I'm going to put cheese on top of these, and I'm going to fold them kind of like a quesadilla. And that's going to be my grilled cheese with my tomato soup. Sorry about the football in the background. But I took my Olay wrap, and I'm just going to bend it, and I can eat it in 4 pieces when I get to work. And I'm going to put that in like about an ounce of the turkey breast wrapped around a pickle. And that's going to go with my soup. So now I have one where this is the egg cups, and then I'm going to throw just a little tiny bit of cheese on top of that. So this is just my lunch and breakfasts here on the table that you see. Okay, I have grapes for my lunch. I have 5 egg cups for breakfast, which I will either have with an apple or that plum. I have the soup, which I will have with a Olay wrap with cheese and a piece of turkey wrapped around a pickle, because I felt like I needed some protein that I wasn't necessarily getting. So that is 5 lunches, 5 breakfasts, and now I'm getting ready to move on to some of the dinner prep that I'll be doing. So I'm starting with my ground turkey, and I'm going to make some tacos. So I'm going to end this video about here. I'm getting ready to finish up the taco meat. This is dinner tonight. It's baked ziti. I'm not eating that, and then in my air fryer are some sweet potatoes, and then my chicken did not fall out. So I'm going to have to make these the night before I want them for dinner. We're going to do one with a little bit of breadcrumbs on them and put them in the air fryer. We're going to do another one with some noodles and broccoli, and it's like an Alfredo noodle, and I'll just eat a few of that, like a little bit of that, and that's about it.
Oh.